Hello friends, welcome to our class, computer class. Today we see the first lesson, computer devices. In the last session, we learned about the parts of computer system and input devices. So, in the last session, we see the keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, scanner, light pen, microphone and barcode reader. These all are the input devices. And today we see the processing devices. This hard disk, microprocessor chip, RAM, motherboard and SMPS. These are the processing device. Processing means to act on the given set of instruction in order to achieve the desired output. The internal hardware of the CPU box consists of motherboard, microprocessor chip, hard disk, RAM, etc. CPU has three parts. First is CU. CU means control unit. ALU. ALU means arithmetic logical unit. And third part is memory unit. So we see one by one. The arithmetic logical unit means all the arithmetic operations and logical operations on the data are performed in a area. And logical operation means greater than, less than equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These operations are logical operation, and arithmetic operations mean plus, minus, division, multiplication. These are arithmetic operation, and these operations on the data are performed in the area. The next part is control unit. It controls all the functions on each unit of a computer system by processing signals on the basis of given instructions. It is similar to our nervous system, which sends signals to our brain. The next part is memory unit. Data entered into the computer is stored in the memory unit for future references to perform the required processing. These all are working of a CPU, and these are the processing unit. These are the processing devices. Next we see the output devices. First we see the output devices are used to show the result of the work done by a computer program or instructions after processing. These output devices we show the result of the work done by the computer program or instructions after processing. Some of these devices are monitor, printer, plotter, etc. First we see the monitor. It is also known as a visual display unit. Visual display unit means VDU. It is one of the most common output device. It looks like a television screen that can display both text and pictures. Monitor can be broadly classified in the two types. First is CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube. This technology, much like what you will find in most of the televisions. The second type is LCD. LCD means liquid crystal display. These monitors display very sharp images. They are lighter and more space efficient as compared to CRT monitor. These monitor are also output devices. The next output device we see the speaker. Speaker is an output device. Speaker is used to listen songs, recorded voice or music. The next output device we see the printer. Printer is an output device that prints text and graphics on paper in the same shape and format as display on the monitor. The paper printed by the printer is called printout or a hard disk. Many types of printer are available in the market. They can be broadly classified as. So, the printer are classified in the three types. First is dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Now we see one by one. So first we see the dot matrix printer. This dot matrix printer print only in a black tiny dots. They are slowest printer and not as expensive as other printer are. The print quality of the printer is not sharp and usually of the low quality. Inkjet printer. This printer produce black and white as well as color printouts. The print quality and sharpness of a prints is very good printer. It prints faster than dot matrix printer. The next type of printer is laser printer. And this laser printer use laser beam to produce printouts with excellent text and graphics. This high-speed printer produce black and white as well as color printouts of a very high quality. The prints taken from a laser printers are permanent. So these are the three types of printer. And next we see the output devices are plotter. These are the plotter. You can see on the screen, these are the plotter, and this plotter is used to print big drawings such as posters, banners, map of high quality graphics in variety of colors. It is similar to a printer, but it can be produced bigger size printouts and has continuous paper. And there are two types of plotter. First is drum plotter and second is flatted plotter. These are the two types of plotter. And this plotter is mostly used to print big drawings such as posters, banners, maps of high quality graphics. So today we finish this session. Thank you.